Hey lollipops, welcome back to my YouTube channel, you guys. On today's episode, I'll bring you along as I go drop my dirty laundries at the dry cleaner store. You guys, I was just driving straight to the place, but I remembered I was running out of fuel, so I had to stop by at the fuel station to buy some fuel. So you guys, let's take a turn and go buy some fuel. So guys, I'm at the fuel station now, Rain Oil fuel station. I want to get some fuel for my car before I can proceed with my journey. From here now, I'm going to dry cleaner to drop off my clothes. Then maybe I'll check one of my makeup artists to check. She's a friend of mine also. Yeah, to check if she's free so she would help me cut my eyebrows. Alright, so you guys come with me as always. Okay, I'm still waiting for my turn actually. Once it's my turn, I'll buy and leave. Okay, so guys, that's it.
Imakenu si adi imibe ga-emechi ọ bụ sọ Chukwu ma Chukwu m ife ga-emechi Chukwu m isi gaba ọgaranya Chukwu m ife ga-emechi Chukwu m onye ga-anwụ Chukwu m ife ga-emechi Chukwu m onye ga-adị ndụ onye ji n'uwe mọdụ n'ụwa onye jiri nwa n'isi ijiri nwa na-eme ọnụ ịmana ịbụ onye mgbu ijiri nwa n'isi ịmana ị na-eto eto afụgo ọnụ m ọgaranya omesịa wee tie ka konko wepụzie nwa ogbenye omesịa bụrụ ọgaranya onye jiri uwe mọnụ echi dị ime wekpọrọ nwa n'azụ onye ma ife ọ ga-amụ onye ma ife ọ ga-amụ onye ma ife ọ ga-amụ sọ Chukwu ma elele ya Imakenu si adi imibe Imakenu si adi imibe Imakenu si adi imibe ga-emechi ọ bụ sọ Chukwu ma Chukwu m ife ga-emechi Chukwu ziga m ọgaranya chukwu m ife ga-emechi chukwu m onye ga-agwọ chukwu m ife ga-emechi chukwu m onye ga-adị.
So lollipops, the lady right here is just trying to sort out the sheets from the normal clothes. Okay, these ones that I'm showing you up here are the previous ones that I brought the last time, and I'm here to pick them also. So this was the lady actually arranging these things in the bag, these clothes in the bag for me to take them home. After collecting my dress, I continued with my journey, but because if I add everything in this one video it's going to be too long, so I decided to make it double, like 2 different videos. So you guys look out for the full vlog on my next video upload, right? Okay, so this was actually me flying the flyover. Like I just drove down. Woo! So you guys, the whole paparazzi of today will continue on the next vlog, so look out for the next one. Okay, until next time my lovers, stay safe and play big. Mwah!